Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. This is an important risk management technique that helps protect your capital and lock in profits while trading. Let's get started. On your Tradingview dashboard, go to your chart. To set up a stop loss and take profit, click the Trade button in the upper right corner. This lets you select your broker. We will use paper trading as the broker. This is a practice mode, so no real money is involved. Once you are ready to set up your stop loss, click on the trade. From there, select either stop or limit. Since we are setting a stop, go ahead and turn on the stop loss option. Make sure it is enabled. For example, we can set the stop at 5,475. If the price reaches 5,475, the trade will automatically stop. No further action will be taken in Tradingview. And that is how we set up stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. With this simple setup, we can manage our trades more effectively and reduce unnecessary risk.